med sjanse, spør alle hva jeg gjør da. Jeg hitter kløben som om hverdag var en lørdag. Kick.
Mga kababayan ko, dito na po ako sa inyo at ibabahagi ko sa inyo ang aking recipe for today. Vegetable fritters. Ito ay napakasimple lang. It's so easy to make this one, okay? This one, we have ingredients. Those are the ingredients, okay? Mashed potato, I mashed it already, okay? And black pepper, salt, vegetable oil, green leaves of spring onion, carrots, and bell pepper, green bell pepper, okay? And now we will mix it all together, then we will fry. Now we'll put onion, carrots, and green pepper. Okay, and we'll put the black pepper, the salt, and the vegetable oil. And now we will mix it together. Okay. We'll put also the 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, and we will mix it. And then that's the time we will fry it. So, kumukulo na po ang mantika at and the cooking oil is already boiling, and I put here in this plastic the mashed potato and the carrots all here, okay? And we will cook it now. We will cut this one here, okay? And we will put it like this. Then we will cut it. Yalla, está na ba? Like this. And we will separate it. Guys, already done our vegetable fritters, and now is the outcome. We fried it already, okay? This is easy, so easiest way on how to make or cook vegetable fritters. So thank you again, guys, and I hope you like this recipe for today. Thank you so much. Thank you, and